Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share the latest tips and tricks on how to make money online. Today, we're going to talk about a really cool way to earn $500 per day just by watching YouTube videos. Yes, you heard that right, you can actually get paid to watch videos on YouTube. This is a great opportunity for anyone who loves spending time on the platform and wants to earn some extra cash while doing it. So, how does it work? Well, there are companies out there that will pay you to watch and review videos for their clients. These clients could be anyone from individual content creators to big brands and companies looking for feedback on their video content. To get started, you'll need to sign up with one of these companies. We recommend doing your research to find a reputable one that pays well and has a good track record of paying their users on time. Once you've signed up, you'll be given a list of videos to watch and review. You'll need to watch them carefully and provide your honest feedback on what you liked, what you didn't like, and any suggestions you have for improvement. For each video you review, you'll be paid a certain amount, usually around $10 to $20 per video. If you can review 25 videos per day, you could easily earn $500 per day. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's important to note that this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You'll need to put in the time and effort to watch and review the videos properly, but if you enjoy watching YouTube videos anyway, it's a great way to earn some extra cash. So there you have it, guys. That's how you can get paid $500 per day to watch YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to make money online. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.